Hello, War Weasel again. This time, instead of just showing what I have, I need to ask for help. I seem to have gotten my mesh into a weird state, and I need to get it back out because I accidentally saved over it. I know, rookie mistake, but please, I'm really hoping someone can help me with this. The problem is this. Notice the legs. When I go from rest position to pose position, move. But I can't find where any of these things are. I tried selecting all, going to clear transform all. I tried control or alt G, alt R, alt S. None of these things seem to work. I'm kind of lost. I'm kind of at wit's end with this. So if anyone can give me a hand, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you much.